Hello, this is the screencast for my animation. As you can see, this is the animation that I created for the assignment. It's basically just a menu that you can scroll over, and whenever I click on one of these, they have a link to another web page. I'll go ahead now and show you the code for this. So here's the HTML code. Here's the link to my CSS for the animation, which I'll show you in a minute. And this is just the text at the top of the page. And here's the 4 images with the links to each of these web pages, which I have over here, which are just basic enough. And here's the CSS. This here is all just got to do with the text and the images. The text is aligned to the center of the page, so here, as you can see, this text here is all aligned to the center. The images are all displayed on the same line. That's what this display inline means here. So as you can see, all these images are all displayed along the same line and not like one after another. This is for when you hover over the images with the mouse. It focuses to the top of the image, so the top of the image stays in the same line, but the rest of the image moves. So as you can see, when I hover over this, the top of it will stay where it is, and it'll be the rest of the image that enlarges. So it kind of enlarges and comes down at the same time, but it doesn't get any higher, if you know what I mean. So that's what that pretty much is for there. This is for the animation. It triggers the animation within 0.2 of a second, and these are just for the different browsers. The transition is for the actual animation, and then the transform is for like changing the scale. So down here you can see when this is for when I hover over the image, or for when I focus on it if I'm using a keyboard. Then it transforms the scale, and it just multiplies the scale by 2. But if I could change that to like 5 or whatever, and the image would change to be 5 times the size of the original image. So as you can see, the image is all just double in size whenever I hover over them. So that's pretty much it for all the code. All these are just basic pages with just pictures, but you can change it around whatever you want. So that's it really.